Hello everybody, this is Eric from Chastity Shop, and this is the silver heart key with Yale padlock. The necklace of this key goes through the heart. I will show you. So the heart will dangle like this. This one is with a Yale padlock, also possible with cylinder lock, but for this customer in the United States with padlock. Here we are. And of course, like every key of our shop, with the sealed spare factory key, as an in case of emergency key. This is the silver heart key. Manufacturing time at this moment is about 2 weeks.